Good morning, good evening, everyone. This video, I'm gonna show you how to find zeros on polynomial functions. So our coefficient is x raised to 5 and our constant term is 18x. First step is we find factors of our constant term, plus or negative 1, plus or negative 2, plus or negative 3, plus or negative 6, plus or negative 9, plus or negative 18. Then next step is we find factors of coefficient x raised to 5 plus or negative 1. Next step is we are gonna substitute the factors of the constant term over these x's. So 1 raised to 5 is 1. 3 times 1 raised to 4 is 3. 7 times 1 raised to 7 times 1 cube is 7. 27 times 1 square is 27. 18 times 1 is 18. So 1 minus 3 negative 2 minus 7 negative 9. 27 minus 18. Positive 27 minus 18 is positive 9. Negative 9 plus 9 is 0. So next step is 2. So we're gonna substitute 2 over our x's. 2 raised to 5 is 32. 3 times 2 raised to 4 is 48. 7 times 2 cube is 56. 27 times 2 squared is 108. 18 times 2 is 36. Negative 72 plus 72 is 0. So these two are the zeros of a function. So last step is synthetic division for us to find out the other zeros. So f of 1 is equals to, so f of 1, we're gonna solve for f of 1. 1, bring down 1. So 1 times 1, 1. Negative 3 plus 1, negative 2. Negative 2 times 1, negative 2. Negative 7 plus negative 2 is negative 9. Negative 9 times 1 is negative 9. Negative 27 plus negative 9 is 18. 18 times 1 is 18. Negative 18 plus 18 is 0. So therefore, our next step is find a number that multiplies to 18 and adds up to negative 9. So 6 and 6 and 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 3 is 18. So x plus 6 is equals to 0 and x plus 3 is equals to 0. So therefore, our other zeros is x is equals to negative 6, x is equals to negative 3. So next step is the f of 2. So bring down 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Negative 7 plus negative 2, negative 9. Negative 9 times 2, negative 18. Negative 18, negative 1, and plus positive 27 plus negative 18 is 9. 9 times 2 is positive 18. So negative 18 plus 18 is equals to 0. Therefore, our 0 is x is equals to negative 2 and x is equals to negative 1, x is equals to negative 6, and is equals to -3. That's all. Thank you.